In today's video, I'm going to show you how to neatly mark up images and documents on your iPhone, iPad, anything iOS, it doesn't really matter. What you need to do if you want to do it in photos, for example, is click on photos and choose the photo you want to edit. And then when you click on it, at the top right, there is an edit button. So click on the edit button, and now again at the top right, there is a small pencil icon next to the three dots. So click on it. After that, you have a menu of all of your drawing tools at the bottom, and you can choose a tool and adjust the stroke size and also the opacity of the color from this little switch at the bottom. For example, let's choose this, and from the color wheel at the right side, you can change the color to whatever you want. Let's click on the X and try to make a perfect shape. As you may know, I wouldn't draw a perfect shape, but if I hold, the software is gonna make the circle perfect for me. And you can do it with other shapes as well. You can do it with a square. Let's draw a square over this coin and hold it. And as you can see, this is a bit off, but you can adjust it with this black tool next to the ruler on the left side of it. So you can square it, and then you can adjust the size and position of those shapes. Of course, if you don't hold, you can just do a little ugly circle, but that's the principle basically, and then you click done and you are ready. The same thing you can do on files. If we type files and open something there, you can do the same. As you can see at the bottom right, there is this option, and then you can click a drawing tool and make a shape and then hold it, and it's gonna be perfect. So that's how you neatly mark up images and files on iPhone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.